How to start a career in digital marketing in 2021. It's no secret that the tech industry is booming and digital marketing is exploding as well. Facebook is generating over $40 billion a year through advertisements, and Google makes over $100 billion a year through advertisements. Today, I'm going to share how you can start a career in digital marketing. Step 1. Start your own website, because this is the best way to learn. If you're into e-commerce, it's better to start with something like a Shopify website. Step 2. Find an industry you're passionate about. Type keywords into tools like Google Trends or Ubersuggest to show you how much traffic your competition is getting, perhaps per region. The top pages will show you how many backlinks, visits, and social shares they get on those pages. With this data, and since the URLs are displayed, you can look at those top pages and write a better version of that page. For example, by adding more visuals or providing more detailed information. Step 3. Promote your content. Take all the people that link to your competition from Ubersuggest and write them to inform them of your website and why yours is better. This will boost your search traffic by linking back to you. You would have to send this to hundreds of people, and you'll also get referral traffic, which is an additional bonus. Step 4. Start collecting emails by using free tools like HelloBar. This will also help with building your brand. Step 5. Install a free tool like Subscribers, which leverages push notifications. This will allow subscriptions with just one click, and that way you can just keep getting visitors back to your site with browser notifications. It's an amazing tool to use when combined with email. Step 6. Start selling something. When you learn to sell, you're learning all the steps involved in successful marketing. You will have to run A/B tests to maximize on conversion. You want to know something interesting? If you have any doubts about starting a career in digital marketing, think about this. Gucci just went viral for selling a virtual bag. Not a real one, a virtual one for thousands of dollars. That is the power of digital marketing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.